Salesforce News Key Info for admins and app builders. Salesforce admins and app builders are at the forefront of using the platform. They aim to optimize operations, improve customer experiences, and drive business success. These professionals must stay current on Salesforce news and updates. It's vital to stay ahead of the curve and deliver greatest value. The evolution of Salesforce Flow. What admins need to know: Salesforce Flow has advanced. It is now more powerful and flexible than ever. Admins must master these updates for seamless business process automation. Salesforce refines Flow Builder, making it more accessible to users. Admins can now create sophisticated workflows with less effort. Salesforce Flow now has better integration with third-party systems. It enables seamless data exchange and automation across platforms. App Builder features. Enhancements that elevate user experience. Salesforce has added new features for app builders. They significantly enhance user satisfaction. These updates aim to help builders create better apps. Dynamic forms and actions. App builders can now use dynamic forms. They can tailor page layouts based on user profiles and record types. This feature allows for a more personalized and efficient user experience. Lightning App Builder upgrades. The Lightning App Builder now has more customization. It has a better drag and drop feature. Apps are now faster. They are more responsive. 2. The importance of certification and continuous learning. Trailhead as a learning resource. Salesforce's Trailhead is a great, up-to-date learning tool. Discuss how admins and app builders can use Trailhead. Planning a learning journey. Tips on structuring a learning journey. It covers setting certification goals, making a study schedule, and using available resources. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce is evolving. It offers new tools and features for admins and app builders. They can use these to enhance their skills and add more value to their organizations. Staying informed, using new features, and learning can help. It can put Salesforce professionals at the forefront of innovation. As the platform grows, only the adaptable will succeed in the digital world.